Hi, so this is our scene. So this is the box project which we have made. We have used FSR sensor and copper uh, wire coil in this. So while putting these cubes, we will activate certain things, pre-decided certain things in the scene itself. This is a mixed reality experience. As you can see, we can see the mixed reality space, and while putting this box we can activate the snowfall, and the second box we can activate the sound. So, and also we can stop the snowfall as well, right? So while putting the third box, we can there will be a Christmas tree. So there actually we have to reset this Christmas tree over there. And while putting the fourth box, these gifts are coming, right? We have, if you want to remove, look, we can remove these gifts. So this Christmas tree, just look, while doing these things we can turn off and turn on this Christmas tree. And also we can turn the scene, like this is our first scene in this. So we can remove all those boxes and we can start our first scene. Okay, actually sometimes it's not working. So first scene, actually, just a second. Hi, so we have this word in next scene, so we can play with this word. This is a Phoenix word, and we can play with this word. And if I want to move this word forward, so let's go with the up down first. Downwards, stop. Upwards, stop. Downwards, stop. Upward, stop. Right, so we have put different gestures. And left, like going right, so right, stop. And left, stop. Right, stops. Right, stops. Right, now I will show all the gestures. So going forwards, it going rights, going left, little bit upward and forward. So up, left. So yeah, we can play this word. That's all. Yeah, we can stop it.